Want to grow a big Instagram page without showing your face? In this episode of Internet Paydays, we're exploring how to build and monetize Instagram theme pages, the faceless accounts that are exploding in reach and revenue. You don't need to be an influencer, you don't need fancy equipment, and you definitely don't need to dance on camera. Just pick a niche, stay consistent, and use smart tools. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap to launch your first theme page, even if you're starting from zero today. What is a theme page? So what exactly is a theme page? It's an Instagram account built around a specific topic or niche instead of a personal brand. Think of it as a curated magazine rather than a personal diary. Popular theme page examples include motivational quotes and mindset content, AI tools, tips, and productivity hacks, fitness transformations and workout routines. Why this works in 2025? Instagram Reels have completely changed the game for new accounts. Back in 2018 to 2020, growing an Instagram page organically was painfully slow. But now, the algorithm has leveled the playing field. Here's why theme pages are thriving right now. The algorithm favors short, shareable content that keeps people scrolling. Consistency over perfection. Posting regularly beats posting perfectly. Real numbers to inspire you. A motivational quote page can go from 0 to 10,000 followers in 2 to 3 months with daily reels. An AI tools page can monetize at 5,000 followers through affiliate partnerships. And travel pages? They're getting brand deals with tourism boards and hotels at 20,000 plus followers. Choosing your niche. Before we dive into tools and tactics, let's talk about picking the right niche. This is where most people overthink it and never start. Here's my framework. Ask yourself these 3 questions. 1. Interest test. Could you consume content in this niche for 30 minutes a day without getting bored? 2. Money test. Are there products, services, or brands already advertising in this space? 3. Content test. Can you find at least 50 examples of viral posts in this niche right now? If you answer yes to all 3, you've got a winner. Hot niches for 2025. AI and automation. Everyone wants to work smarter, and AI tools are exploding. Side hustles and money tips. Financial anxiety is real, and people want solutions. Minimalism and intentional living. The reaction to consumerism is growing. Tools to grow your theme page. Here's your complete faceless IG toolkit. I'm giving you free and paid options, but you can honestly start with 0 budget. Content creation stack, ChatGPT, free tier is fine. Canva, free version has everything you need. CapCut or InShot, both free mobile apps. Scheduling and analytics, Metricool or Later, free plans available. Viral dashboard or Social Blade, optional analytics. Setting up your page for growth. Before you post a single piece of content, optimize your profile like a landing page. Your Instagram profile checklist, username. Keep it short, memorable, and niche specific. Profile picture. Use a simple logo or icon related to your niche. Bio, line 1, what you post. Line 2, who it's for. Line 3, call to action, link, follow, or promise. Highlights, create 3 to 5. Story highlights with clear covers. Use them to showcase your value immediately. What to post daily. Consistency beats creativity in the early days. Here's a simple weekly content plan that works across any niche. Daily posting schedule, 1 to 2 reels per day. This is your growth engine. Use trending audio from the Reels tab. Hook viewers in the first 1 second with text or visual intrigue. Keep reels between 7 to 15 seconds for maximum replays. End with a question or CTA to boost comments. Growth strategies that actually work. Posting consistently is step 1. But if you want explosive growth, you need to be strategic. Proven growth tactics, engagement pods and groups. Join 2 to 3 small engagement groups in your niche. Comment meaningfully on each other's posts within 30 minutes of posting. This signals to Instagram that your content is engaging. Avoid generic comments, add value, or ask questions. Collaboration and shoutouts. Partner with pages in your niche that have similar follower counts. Do shoutout for shoutout in stories or posts. Create collab reels that appear on both profiles. Hashtag strategy still works in 2025. Use 20 to 30 hashtags per post. Research hashtags your target audience actually follows. Create a branded hashtag and encourage followers to use it. Avoid banned or spammy hashtags that hurt reach. How to monetize a theme page. This is where it gets exciting. Theme pages can generate income faster than personal brands because your audience is pre-qualified around an interest. Monetization methods. 1. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or tools your audience already needs. Earn 5 to 30% commission per sale, depending on the program. 2. Sponsored shoutouts. Other creators or brands pay you to feature their content. Charge $50 to $500 per story shoutout depending on your niche and engagement. Monetization timeline. Months 1 to 2. Build to 1,000 followers. Optimize profile. Month 3. Add first affiliate link. Test offers in stories. Months 4 to 6. Reach 5,000 to 10,000 followers. Add second revenue stream. Months 7 to 12. Scale to 20,000 to 50,000 followers. Diversify income. Common mistakes to avoid. Let me save you months of frustration by sharing what not to do. Biggest mistakes. 1. Inconsistency. Posting randomly kills momentum. The algorithm rewards frequent, consistent posting. Solution. Batch content and schedule it. 2. Ignoring engagement. Posting without responding to comments or DMs. Instagram punishes accounts with low engagement rates. Solution. Reply to every comment in the first hour after posting. 3. Using copyrighted content. Reposting without permission gets your page taken down. Instagram's copyright detection is aggressive. Solution. Create original content or get explicit permission with watermarks. 4. Buying followers. Fake followers kill your engagement rate and credibility. Instagram can detect and purge fake accounts. Solution. Grow organically, even if it's slower. 5. Spamming. Hashtags using banned or irrelevant hashtags hurts reach. Solution. Research and test hashtags specific to your niche. 6. No clear monetization plan. Growing followers with no way to make money. Solution. Add affiliate links and products early. Test what works. 7. Giving up. Too soon. Most people quit after 30 days without results. Growth is exponential. Stick with it for 90 days minimum. Solution. Track small wins. Engagement, saves, profile visits, not just follower count. Instagram theme pages are one of the most powerful, accessible, and faceless ways to make money online in 2025. You don't need to be camera ready. You don't need a massive budget. You just need a niche, a system, and consistency. Subscribe to Internet Paydays for more faceless income strategies every week. Comment below with your niche idea, and I'll personally help you brainstorm a content plan to get your first 1,000 followers. Your theme page empire starts today. Let's get to work.